Honor is not the exclusive property of any political party. Older men declare war, but it is the youth that must fight and die. Freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of the human spirit and human dignity. About the time we can make the ends meet, somebody moves the ends. Blessed are the young, for they shall inherit the national debt. All men are equal before fish. Words without actions are the assassins of idealism. When there is a lack of honor in government, the morals of the whole people are poisoned. Children are our most valuable natural resource.